Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Karna Academy. Today's topic is sequence and series, which is from class 12 mathematics. Here we go. Dear students, the question is find the nth term and sum of n terms of series 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 14 plus 22 plus dot 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 dot. Dear students, in this question we are given a series involving natural numbers and we have to find out the general term, that means nth term, and sum to n terms of the series. So let's start. Dear students, the given series is Dear students, the given series is 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 14 plus 22. This series is neither arithmetic nor geometric series, because if we take the common difference t2 minus t1, 4 minus 2 we get 2, 8 minus 4 we get 4. If we take the difference between succeeding and preceding term, that means if we find the common difference, then the common difference are not the same. So let's find out the ratio, whether it is geometric series or not. If we divide 4 by 2, we get 2. That means second term divided by first term is common ratio. R means T2 divided by T1. So 4 divided by 2 we get 2. 8 divided by 4 we get 2. The common ratio are same. But when 14 is divided by 8, we don't get the same common ratio. That means we don't get the common ratio 2. So this is the given series is neither arithmetic nor geometric series. So we cannot find the general term of the given series by using the formula of the general term of arithmetic series. That means we cannot apply this formula. Tn means a plus n minus 1 times d to find the general term, because it is not an arithmetic series. So dear students, if a series is neither arithmetic nor geometric series, in that case we have to follow the method of successive difference. If a series is neither arithmetic nor geometric, in that case we have to use the method of successive difference. Dear students, so let's solve it. Let's find out the general term and the sum of the n terms by using the successive difference method. Dear students, successive difference method means we have to take the difference between the succeeding term and preceding term. We have to take the difference between each succeeding term and preceding term. And then after taking the difference between each succeeding and preceding term, we'll get a new type of series which will give us the general term, and after finding the general term we can easily get the sum of the series. So let's do it. So dear students, let's suppose the sum of the first n terms of the given series as Sn. So dear students, let's suppose the sum of the given series Sn, and let's suppose the last term, or we can say nth term of the given series as Tn, and let's suppose it as equation I. In successive difference method, the sum of the given series at first we have to suppose as Sn, and the general term, or we can say nth term, we have to write as Tn. Now next, according to now the successive difference method, we have to subtract each succeeding term from the preceding term. That means we have to subtract first term from the second term we have to subtract from third term, again third term we have to subtract from the fourth term. So dear students, here we have to subtract first term from the second term. So we write down the first term of the series just below the second term, because we have to take the difference between second term and first term, that is 4 minus 2. So in this way we have to arrange the series so that we can subtract, so that we can take the difference between succeeding and preceding term. So we have to write the first term just below the second term of the original series, plus now we have to write down second term just below the third term so that we can subtract. Now we have to write down third term, that means 8, just below the fourth term. And again, so dear students, so in this way we get second equation, or we can say we get the second series. So dear students, in the successive difference method, the sum of the first series we suppose as Tn, then we move just one step, the given series we move just one step to the right side, so that we can take the difference between succeeding term and preceding term. So we have arranged the terms according to the to find the successive difference. We have already arranged the terms, already we have written the series. Now we have to subtract. Sn minus Sn means 0. 2 we keep as it is. Now we have to take the difference. So this means 4 minus 2 we get 2. 8 minus 4 we get 4. 14 minus 8 we get 6. 22 minus 14 we get 8, plus minus Tn. So this minus Tn keeping as it is. So dear students, this is the, so dear students, now let's move minus Tn to the left side. Minus Tn will become plus. Other terms we keep as it is, plus 2n terms. Dear students, now we'll keep the first term as it is. Now we'll find out the general term of the remaining terms, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. 2. Now we have isolated the first term, so the remaining terms will be n minus 1 terms, because total number of terms is n. So if we isolate one of the term from the given series, then the remaining number of terms will be n minus 1, because if we isolate the first term, if we ignore the first term, then the remaining terms of the series will form an arithmetic series. Dear students, if we look at the terms 2, 4, 6, 8, 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, common difference we have got the same. That means this is the arithmetic series. Now we can apply the formula of arithmetic series to find the general term. Dear students, now from each term of the series we can take 2 common. 2n minus 1 terms. Dear students, after taking common 2 from each term of the series, we have got 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 2n minus 1 terms. Now this is the sum of the natural numbers, but the number of terms is n minus 1. So dear students, we know that the sum of the first n natural numbers, dear students, we know the sum of the first n natural number is n plus 1 divided by 2, but the number of terms we have only n minus 1, because one of the term we have isolated from the series, so the number of term is n minus 1. So now we are going to replace the value of n by n minus 1, because we have got only n minus 1 terms. So if we replace n by n minus 1, dear students, in the formula of the sum of first n natural numbers, if we put the value of n minus 1, then we'll get the sum to n minus 1 terms of the series. So dear students, now according to the formula of the sum of first n natural numbers, the sum is n times n plus 1 divided by 2. If we put the number of terms n minus 1 in the formula, then we'll get n minus 1 times n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So dear students, let's do the simplification. Now plus 1 minus 1 cancel, then the remaining term is 2 times 2 also we can cancel. 2 we can cancel, then the remaining terms is n times n minus 1. So let's write it in simpler form. N is square plus minus minus n minus n. Let's arrange the terms. N is square minus n plus 2. So this is the general term, that means Tn. We have found the Tn. General term is n square minus n plus 2. So this is the general term of the given series by using the successive difference method. Now next we have to find out, dear students, the sum of the series. Let's find out the sum of the series. Dear students, we know that Sn, that means the sum of the first n terms of the series. Sn means summation Tn. Tn means n square minus n plus 2. The general term of the series already we have found, summation n square minus n plus 2. Dear students, now from this we can easily find the sum of the given series. So let's break down it into 3 parts: summation n square minus summation n plus summation 2. Dear students, we know that summation n square means the sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. Which is given by n times n plus 1 to n plus 1 divided by 6 minus summation n. Dear students, summation n means the sum of the first n natural numbers. That means n plus 1 divided by 2 plus, dear students, summation 2. Summation 2 we can write as 2 times summation 1. And we know that the formula of summation 1, or we can say summation 1 is equal to n. If there is only 1, then the sum will be 1. If there are 2 1, then the sum will be 2. If there are 3 1, then the sum will be 3. If there are n number of 1, then the sum will be n. So dear students, summation 2 means we can write 2n. The sum of the series summation 2, that means 2 plus 2 plus 2 up to n terms, we get 2n. Dear students, we can take n common from each term. So if we take n common, then the remaining term will be n plus 1 to n plus 1. So if we take n common from each term, we get this. Now n plus 1 to n plus 1. So LCM is 6. If we take LCM 6, then 2 3 are 6. Now 2 3 are 6. Dear students, let's simplify it further. 2n square. So if we multiply n plus 1 and 2n plus 1, we get 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 minus 3n minus 3 plus 3. So dear students, the simplification is very simple. You can do it yourself. 2n square. Now 3n, 2n plus n, 3n, 3n cancel, plus 3 minus 3 cancel, 2n square plus 1 divided by 6. So dear students, this is the sum of the given series. So I hope that you have understood how to apply the successive difference method If the given series is neither arithmetic nor geometric, in that case, how to apply the method of successive difference and find the general term and again find the sum to n terms of the series. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with the new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.